Hey guys, my name's Julia. I'm the social media head tour guide here on campus. Me and my fellow tour guides, Sarah and Geli, will be giving you guys a tour of campus today.
Mount St. Vincent was founded by the Sisters of Charity in 1847. It consists of 70 acres of beautiful views, such as this one.
As you can see, our school colors are blue, white, and gold, and our mascot is Vinny the Dolphin.
UMSV offers a free shuttle service on campus for all students. We have 2 lines. The gold line takes us all the way to the 1 train at 242nd Street.
And the white line takes you to trains 2 through 6 and B and D.
This is Cardinal Hayes Auditorium, where 2 to 3 performances happen per year, such as our talent show, Boom, and other plays we have here on campus. Come take a look.
This is Peter J. Sharp Athletic Center. It is home to our 15 athletic teams here at campus.
We're a Division III school and we're part of the Skyline Conference.
This is one of our 2 main gyms here in Sharp. This is the main one we use for both men's and women's volleyball and basketball. We also host our homecoming event each year called Mount Madness, where they announce both basketball teams and our dance teams perform. As we continue to walk through Sharp, on your right is our dance studio. Our dance studio is home to our 4 dance teams: Filament, Fatal Attraction, Dolphin Dolls, and Flava. And fun fact, it used to be a pool.
This is our fitness center. It was newly renovated in the fall of 2023 and is available for all students to use. Come take a look.
This is Elizabeth Seton Library. It is 3 floors and is home to many programs here on campus. Let's go take a look. Our library offers many studying options. On our first floor is our quiet study, and then if you look behind you, we have computers as well as options for printing.
Welcome to the 2nd floor of our library. When you first get up the steps, you'll see our Oxley Center. So our Oxley Center is home to many different programs, such as our pathway programs like HEOP, MAP, and TRIO, and our student engagement and success programs, such as Center for Leadership, Study Abroad Option, and the Conservatory. As we continue to the hallway, on your right is our Academic Resource Center. Our ARC is available for all students to have free tutoring. It also offers a job opportunity for students to become a tutor and tutor other students here on campus. And behind me, we have our group study cubicles, and it's offered to all students. As we come down the steps to the Maloney Center, this is the basement of our library. It is open 24/7 with computer labs and classrooms all spread out throughout the floor. Behind me is an example from one of our computer labs. Let's take a look. As we come out of the computer lab and walk to your right is our security. Our security patrols campus also 24/7. They deal with parking passes, issues with safety, anything like that. You can contact them. Our number is online and posted on their door when needed.
This is our science hall. It's home to all of our science classes here on campus. It does consist of our one and only lecture hall for our undergraduate students, as well as other science classrooms and our labs. Let's go take a look.
As we walk this way, we enter our quad. Our quad is home to our 4 dorming halls: Spelman Hall, Alumni Hall, Mastrioni Hall, and behind me is our Alumni Pavilion. Our Alumni Pavilion is home to over 40 clubs and organizations and also offers many different activities for students to do all throughout the year on campus.
As we said before, this is Spelman Hall. It is an only freshman dorm building. Let's go take a look. As we continue on with our tour, behind me is our 2nd dance studio here on campus, and to your left is our front desk of Spelman Hall, where an RA or security guard will sit. As we come down the hall, here's our laundry room. Laundry is free for all students here on campus. As we walk through the hall, each floor contains a common area as well as a kitchen. Let's take a look. Welcome to one of our dorm rooms in Spelman Hall. Each room consists of a twin XL bed, a desk, a chair, as well as a dresser and a closet.
This is Hudson Heights. This is our main dining hall on campus. We have many options to choose from, like pizza, salads, wraps, the grill, and sushi each week. Let's take a look. Each student gets a meal plan. For residents, they refill every 3 weeks, and for commuters, it's $240 a semester. As you walk down Administration Hill, on your left you'll see Font Hill Castle. Font Hill Castle is one of the oldest buildings on campus, and fun fact, it was our old Office of Admissions. This is Marionville Hall. This is our Arts and Communications building. It is home to our art studio, video and editing rooms, and it also has the only color printer on campus. Marillac Hall is the second oldest building on campus. It houses our graduate students and is home to our conservatory. Right across from Marillac Hall is Marillac Field. It was recently renovated in 2023 and 2024. It is shared with the New York Soccer Club and is mainly home to our soccer and lacrosse teams. This is Founders Hall. This is where students have a majority of their classes. There are also many offices on this floor, including the HR office right behind me, as well as campus ministry and the mailroom.
To your right is our campus ministry office. Campus ministry allows for students to do community service acts on and off of campus. Along with that, students are required to take a course called First Year Experience, where they are required to do 1 active community service and write a research paper on that. Along with that, our students do over 10,000 hours of community service each year.
And if you follow me this way, to your left is our mailroom where residents on campus, their packages are delivered. And then if you follow me this way, this is our locker system where our residents on campus can receive their packages. So a QR code will be sent to your email. You'll come here, scan the QR code, and a locker will open.
As we walk this way, to your left is our Fin Shop. Our Fin Shop gives visitors and current students the opportunity to purchase their UMSV gear. Along with that, it allows for current students to purchase any necessities they may need during the year. Let's take a quick look. As we come out our Fin Shop, to your right is our common area for current students, mostly commuters, to take a break, lounge for a little bit in between classes. And to your left is our brand new esports room. Our esports team got added to our athletic department as of 2024. You can follow me this way. To your right is Mag's Kitchen. Mag's Kitchen is a grab-and-go station for students to grab snacks in between classes. We also provide a self-serve Dunkin' where you can make your own coffee and grab a donut if you need. We also provide hot meals once a day. Come take a look.
As we come up to the second floor, this half of the hallway has many different offices, such as student accounts, which will help you set up a payment plan, as well as any issues with paying your tuition. And if we keep walking down this way, we also have a registrar office, which will help students register for classes each semester. And if you follow me down the hallway, this is our blue room, which is another common area for many of our commuter students, as well as some of our res life, which they will hang out here in between classes.
If you look behind me, we have our chapel. Our chapel was newly renovated in 2019. We offer Mass to students and outside visitors on Wednesdays and Sundays. Along with that, we also have an interfaith prayer room that is located to the left of our chapel. If you follow me this way, we can go take a look at our porch. As you may know, we always say that we are the right place on the river, and I think this view is why.
Here on our third floor is a bulk of our classrooms here in Founders Hall, as well as our fourth floor. Our average class size is 21 students, and our faculty to student ratio is 13:1. Here is one of our classrooms. So this is the Kino Hall. It opened in 2022 and it's home to all of our nursing students.
The reason the building is called Aquino Hall is because of Corazon-C Aquino, class 53, who graduated here from the Mount and was the first female president of the Philippines. Additionally, we have a scholarship in her name for those students of Filipino descent.
So let's head upstairs and see one of our simulation labs. In Aquino Hall, we have many different types of simulation labs. This one here mocks an emergency room. So we have many different types of mannequins in here. Our nursing students come in here before clinicals to practice their skills. As you follow me down this hallway,
here we have some more high-tech mannequins that allow students to experience real-life scenarios. Additionally, there are cameras and a two-way mirror for their professors to observe them while they practice their skills.
This is Seton Hall. This is home to many of our offices here. On our first floor, we have our Office of Admissions. And on our second floor, we have our financial aid and our bridge program office. Along with that, we also have dorm rooms from the 3rd to 6th floor for upperclassmen. That concludes our tour for today. You can book a tour with us on our Instagram at UMSV Admission or on our website at umsv.edu. We hope to see you guys soon. Bye!